Imagine someone constantly thinking about you, texting you first every day, chasing you, unable to get you out of their mind. What if I told you there are 5 dark psychology tricks that can actually make this happen? Number 5 is the most powerful one. Here are the 5 dark psychology tricks that make anyone obsessed with you. Number 1, become scarce. Stop replying instantly. Disappear for a day or two sometimes. People want what they can't easily have. This creates fear of losing you, which is one of the strongest human emotions. Number 2, mirror them. Subtly copy their body language, tone, and the words they use. When their brain sees you as similar to them, it instantly feels like you're their perfect match. Number 3, use hot and cold behavior. Give them intense attention and affection one day, then suddenly pull back the next. This unpredictable reward system creates addiction, just like a slot machine. Number 4, share a small vulnerability and then show strength. Tell them something that makes you seem a bit hurt or human, then immediately show confidence and high value. They will feel special while seeing you as the prize. Number 5, become their source of emotional highs. Create inside jokes, deep conversations, and exciting moments. Make them feel more alive with you than with anyone else. Soon, normal life feels boring without you. That's when real obsession begins. These tricks work because human psychology is predictable and easy to influence. But remember, obsession is not the same as real love. Use this knowledge responsibly, either to protect yourself or to spark healthy attraction. If you found this useful, like the video and comment "obsessed" below. Tell me which trick you're going to try. Subscribe for more dark psychology, money truths, and relationship reality checks. Next video is coming soon.